Inheritance in Python. Inheritance is one of the feature in object-oriented programming. Let's understand what this inheritance is. So we will be having a parent class and there will be a child class. So all the child class will be able to access whatever methods or attributes assigned in the parent class. So this is the feature we call as an internal inheritance, where in parent attributes and functions will be accessible through the child classes. Let's understand it with some example. For example, here we can see that I'll be having one class as an animal. Animal will be having some set of features which are common for all of the animals. Then we'll be having this as a different childs and child classes. So these child classes will inherit all the properties whatever we have in the class animal. Also it will be having their own features and their own functions. Similarly, here we can see these are the three different animals I'll be having, but the common features will be taken from this base class. So this base class is nothing but the parent class, and each individual animal will be the child class which will inherit this parent class properties, and they will be having their own properties as well. Now let's understand this with the example in a Python coding. So in this example, I will be having two classes. So class A, which will be my parent class, and then I'll be having class B, which will be my child class. So when we have a parent and a child, so here my class B is a child class for this class A. In that case, how we can define is we have to just add here A. This will explain to the class B is having a parent which is the class A. Now let's write some code in the class A. So I'm having this method in the class A which will print info, where I'm just going to say a welcome message. Now in the class B, I'm not going to define anything. For now I'll just put it as a pass. And now if I create an object of class B, let's say B1 is equals to B, and then I will call B1 dot print info. Here you can see that this B1 is object of this class B. However, this class B is inheriting properties from the class A. Therefore, we can access from B1 object this print info method. Let me run this class. Okay, dot print info missing one required positional B1. So here I am having B as an one class which is the child for this class A, and I am passing class A as a argument to let the class B know that class A is also getting inherited into the B. And so if we create object of this class B, we can access the all the functions from the class A. So here we can see the output as a welcome. So here